Good morning, fam. Good morning. Happy Christmas and happy New Year. Like this, mid on the 2025. Okay. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how being an affiliate marketer works. How we make commissions from products. All right. So being an affiliate marketer is like being a middleman in the business. We are the middlemen. We don't own any products. Like the product I said, I know me get them. I know we no get them. Except you do your research and then find out who owns those products. Even if you find that, not equals percent. Alright. So being a middleman in the business is just for you connecting the buyer to the seller. Finish. And once the buyer buys, you get paid for it. So there are some you get 50% commission, you get 60, you get 70, and so on. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you an example of how these things work. I'm going to be playing two roles at the same time. I will be the buyer and also the affiliate marketer or the middleman in this business. So let's jump right into it. Okay. This is my affiliate account. This is my second account. My first one I did not prepare for personal reasons. So this is the second one. So in this case, in front end, we are using $1 to 1,000 naira. Currently $1 is at the rate of 650 to 700. It's just waving. So, but in this case, we're going to be using $1 to 1,000 naira. Now, our main aim is to get the products and see how we are going to get paid for selling one product. Now, let me show you how this one works. So, what you need to do is just come to the marketplace. In this marketplace, you're going to see different products. These are different products with different price. These are the owner of this product. This is the price. This is also the commission percentage. Now let's look for one product like this one. Now this one is $100. This is Laura YouTube Cash Growth Accelerator course. So this is owned by Christopher. This Christopher, I don't know this person. Now if I sell this product, I'm going to get paid 50% of this $100 commission. This remember we're using $1 to 1,000 naira. Now so that means this product worth 100,000. So if I sell this product, I'll get 50% commission, which is 50,000 naira. Now let me show you how it's being calculated. Where is my calculator? Let me bring out my calculator. Now this is my calculator. So remember this stuff was 100,000. Now if you times it by 50%, which is the commission we're going to be getting. See, we're going to be making 50,000 naira for just selling this course. I'm going to make it 50,000. Remember, this is just for one person. If one person buys this, we're going to be making 50,000 naira. Now, let's say, if for example, you sell this same product to 3 persons or let's say 5 persons. If you sell the same product, remember, you're making 50,000 naira per one purchase. Now, if you sell it to let's say 5 persons, you'll be making 250,000 from just this product. Now, I know you might be saying this one is too high, it's too big. Which person you go fit sell that to? Don't worry, there are people who want this same product. All you just need to do is to connect to them, create traffic, drive traffic that will get to their ends, and then they will buy from you. Now, let's look for a cheap product. Like this one is $40, this one is 25, this one is 15, this one is $5, this one is 5, this one is even cheap. That's cheap, $5. This is TikTok monetization and growth blueprint. This one is 70%. You see, 70%. This one is even high. This one is 60. This one is 50. This one is even 30. This one is even 75. This is the WhatsApp cash out formula. Wow. This one is $5, and this one, the commission rate is 75%. I think this one is the highest here of all the products. This one is the highest, 75. Now let's say, remember, where's my calculator? Now, 5,000 naira. This product worth 5,000. If you sell it, we're going to be making 75% of the commission. And let's multiply and see how much we're going to be making. I'm going to be making 3,750 naira for just selling one of these products to one person. Now, let's say, for example, you sell this product to 10 persons, you're going to make it 37,500. Well, remember the initial amount is, if you sell it to one person, you are going to be making 3,715 naira. Now, this is where we come in. Remember, this product, every product you see here, I do not own any of them. Not be me get am, not be me just get am. But if I sell am, I will make money from am. Now, so in this video tutorial, I'm going to be buying this product for myself and see if I will make this 75% commission. Now, this is the WhatsApp cash out formula. I think this WhatsApp, this one is going to, it's going to be good for a lot of persons because most of us they do business like those who sell clothes on WhatsApp, say interiors, house interiors, many business. I think this is going to help a lot. Now, what you need to do is click on promote. You see it just now, click on promote, and this is your affiliate link. Now, this is the link you are going to send to your prospects. Whoever is buying from you, this is the link you are going to send to your prospects. Now, what you need to do is just to copy the link and send it to your prospects. See, link copy success. Finish. Now, let me show you how this is going to, how you are going to make profit from this. Now, let's, in this case, I am going to be the one buying this product. Let's see if I'm going to make any profit from it. Now, remember, where is my account? This is my account. If you see, today I have not made any sales. If you notice, let me go to my dashboard. I have not made any sales. See, today's sales is zero. And today I've made any zero. And overall sales is 16. This is my second account. And remember, let me switch this to Naira. So everything is 000 for now. Now, what I have to do is to paste this link here. Now, this is the WhatsApp cash out formula. I want to buy this course. If you see, a lot of persons have bought this course. This is a video tutorial for those who need it on how it works. I'm going to watch this one later, but now I need this course. So this is WhatsApp user. Wow. So these are a lot of persons. Selling on WhatsApp is gold mine. I've been learning this skills from one of my projects. How to sell using using a combination of social media plus WhatsApp is the new skill most people need to learn to increase and boost their income in the year 2022. Now, a lot of persons have been using this since 2022. What? I've been using formula. I think so. This is the owner of this. My name is Bamidele. So this is the owner of this course we want to buy. So we're going to learn. And this is him before he got to this. So there's a lot of persons who have used this. Now let's just skip down to getting this course. Now what we need to do is click now. Now remember, yeah, the person who's going to buy this is using your link, your affiliate link. So if I buy this, I'm going to make commission from it. Now we're going to pay with Naira. Okay, let me input my name and let me use this one. Let me change the phone number to now I have inputted my data, my name, my email is correct, my phone number is correct, this is my country currently. Now remember, if you are buying any of these products, make sure you fill in the correct details so that your product will not be sent to other persons. Now, if I pay now, let's click, I'm going to make commission from it. Now imagine me being a prospect. Okay. Once a prospect pays, you're going to make commission from it. So now this is how the process work. Okay, I'm going to be using my card. Now, as you can see, the payment is successful. Now, let's go to my dashboard to see if I actually made this commission. Now, as you can see, it's here. Let's refresh now. You see, now you see today says one. Now look at the commission, $3.5. Now remember, we're using 8,000 now. So let me switch it to, okay, now you see, 3,750 naira made. So that is just how being a middleman in this business works. Finish. Now, I know you might be wondering, how can you get sales and how can you get people to buy your products? Now, let me show you what Dan Luke said about getting customers from social medias. All right. Now, listen to him.
If you're creating content, now you're getting more and more high-ticket clients. Now you can get rid of those cheap and difficult clients.
You heard him. That is Mr. Dan Luke talking about how you can get high-ticket clients. You see, creating content. Now, you see the power of content. Power of content, it puts you at a higher grounds, it helps you to get your customers across all social medias. Now you see, today we have TikTok, today we have WhatsApp, we have Facebook, we have Instagram, and you name it, all the social medias platform we use these days. Now the importance of you creating content, it will help you, it will boost your business to a higher ground. Now let me show you a picture of Bill Gates, what he said concerning online business. Now you see Bill Gates, he said, if your business is not on the internet, then your business will be out of business. Bill Gates. You see the importance of having your business online. Now today we have prompt end and different platforms that helps individual, especially even students like us, money online. Now you see, Dan Luke talks about the power of creating content. It will help and boost your business online. So this is very powerful, guys. Now I know who are also generating or driving traffic through the internet, creating content, powerful content, and say, I used to have customers. I do have customers, but most of them they are cheap. Even when they tend to see my product, they say I don't have money to buy. I don't do so many excuses. Now, listen to what Dan Luke said about this.
So, if you are getting cheap clients right now, if you have cheap clients, my question is, why do you have them? Now, I know what you might say. It's just what I have now. It pays the bills. But here's the problem. The cheap and difficult clients takes up all your mental bandwidth, all your energy, all your time. You can't haul buckets and build pipeline at the same time. They take up all the time. If you're creating content, now you're getting more and more high-ticket clients. Now you can get rid of those cheap and difficult clients. I fire clients all the time. Just because, and here's the philosophy you have to understand, just because you're willing to pay doesn't mean I'm willing to accept. Do you understand? I don't care if you could pay. Are you going to be a good client to work with? Because life is too short to work with these clients.
Now you heard him. Creating content will help you get to your customers, your high-ticket clients. High-ticket clients are those persons that will not stress you in your business. They don't ask too much questions. They ask why this, why that. Just like those cheap and difficult clients. So that is it. All right. So these days, content pays a lot. Most of you guys create a lot of content. You post on TikTok. Most of even those videos you watch on TikTok are content that have been created by those persons. As you are watching them, liking, commenting, you are paying their bills, you are making money for them. So if they can do it, you too can do it also. So I'll advise you, this is one of my advice here. If you want to make money online, you can Do it for yourself. Get a course that will teach you how to make money with YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp. You see, I just bought the one on WhatsApp just now as a tutorial. So I see, and I make money from it. So that is it. That's it, guys. Get a course, learn how these things work, and for every content you create, you get to meet your preferred customers or your clients that will buy product for you, or every content you create, it generates money from you. Generates money. So that's it, guys. No fee though. No fee though. So these are some of the ways you can make money online. All right.
Everything is hard before it's easy. Everything at the beginning is difficult, but later it becomes easy and automatic. You have to force yourself to discipline yourself at the beginning, but after that, it becomes easier and easier, and you actually feel happy. Now, here's the most wonderful thing. When you discipline yourself to start and complete a task or a part of a task, you feel like an athlete. So here's my question. If an athlete runs in a race and comes in first, what do they call this person? The winner. When you win, your body releases endorphins and dopamine, which is a form of energy that you get from a positive experience.
Now, here is one of my great mentor, my mentor Jim Rohn. I know most of you have heard of him. Yeah, it's him. This is a takeaway from me to you guys.
Now let me give you the secret. Show said, here's the secret, Mr. Rohn. Learn to work harder on yourself than you do on your job. Once I got that, it turned my life around. He said, if you work hard on your job, you'll make a living. If you work hard on yourself, you can make a fortune. If you would have known me at age 25, you would have said, Jim Rohn's a hard worker. If you'd have known me, you'd have said that. You'd say, well, how come he's got pennies in his pocket and nothing in the bank and behind on his promises? Well, I was a hard worker, but I was working hard on my job, not on myself. I'm telling you, if you'll learn that simple little principle and start the process today, latest tomorrow, I'll give you tonight to think it over, and start working on the inside. Work on your philosophy, work on your attitude, work on your personality, work on your language, work on the gift of communication, work on all of your abilities. And if you'll start making those personal changes, I'm telling you, everything will change for you.